Hi and welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147. A little bit nippier when I'm doing this unboxing, so I've got my house cardie on. I do wear it out, but I know my mum said she sees me wear this cardie a lot, and it's because it just tends to hang around the house for when I'm cold. So if you've seen this cardie a lot as well, that's why. So I'm going to try and get in this, but this is another unboxing from Star Raw. Now, I recently unboxed some storage that I purchased from them, which I really like. But after I'd ordered the storage, I then got one of the emails with a picture in it that I kind of really like the look of. Now, I did wait a bit before ordering it, but then in the end I did decide I'm just going to order it because I like it. It doesn't have a place to go, it doesn't have a potential home, but I liked it, so I ordered it. So they come in this, I've not actually ordered a painting from them before, but I do like this packaging. I like the fact it comes in a little box like this. Oh, looks like a nice canvas. And this is the painting that I ordered. I know it's a lot of blues, but I do like blue. And this looks like it is a quality canvas, which is always good. Let me get it out. Oh, I've got a little list with it as well. So we have a little symbol list, and it tells me the number, the symbol, the drill number, which is a DMC number, the diamonds you need, and the diamonds I have. So that must be the amount they pack compared to how many I need. So apparently the diamonds needed on this painting are 19,200, and they have given me 22,020. Comes with a little how to get started. That's quite nice when they do include that, especially if it's the first one you've ever got. Excuse me, I've got a hiccup. And then it's got the diamond shapes. Ooh, very nice. So this one is, if I remember rightly, it's a square. Yes. So it's a 35 by 45 and it's a square, and their difficulty level they say is a 3. I'm not sure whether that's because it's a square or whether they do it on the size. Oh, it's got the felt on the back. Oh, and it comes with cover sheets. That's a nice touch. So it comes with a batch of 15cm by 10cm cover sheets, which is really nice if you don't like the clear covers like myself, if you haven't yet got any. But oh, it's furry. It's furry on the back. Oh, look at that. So we've got 22 different colours in this. It is a licensed image. It has a little checklist to say that you should have one package of each. So it is done by weight. The fabric size is 35 by 45, but the drill area is 30 by 40. So let's have a little check. So it is bob on 30, and then this way it is just over 40, like one row of diamonds over 40. So you could get away with a 30 by 40 frame. That's nice. Okay, let's have a look at the toolkit before we have a look at the colours of the diamonds. The diamonds look nice though. So we have a pen with a squidgy. We have some very nice tweezers with Star Raw on it. We have a heart-shaped blue wax. We have a very long straightener. Straighteners are always handy with a square painting. Then we have multi-placers in a 4 and a 7. And we have a white tray. And then we also have a decent amount of baggies. And they're nice quality baggies as well. They have the 3 lines on, but they're a nice quality. How many do we get? Do we get enough for, oh, I'd say we do. I've not, okay, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11, 12. How many, we've got 22 on here. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So you get enough bags for each diamond that is in the painting, or at least you definitely do on this one. I'm guessing it's the same for all, which is good. So basically you could use this as a complete kit out of the packet, just storing grip seal bags, not have to buy any storage, not have to buy any cover sheets. And these diamonds look really nice. Now it does say for the checklist, it does say I only have 1 package of each. That's not the case because I can already see that I have 2 5200s. But it's better than it's saying I should have 3 and only having 2. So let's have a look. We have no 310, but we do have 5200. Look at those. Aren't they gorgeous blues? Got some grey and some dark. What's that? 16. 3371, which I'm guessing is of course the tree trunk. More gorgeous blue colours, teals. See, this is why I fell in love with this painting. More blues, some more different shades of brown. It does look like there's a little bit of a coating, talcy type coating, or I can see it on some of these diamonds. I don't know if it's just inside though. They look nice diamonds though. Blue, grey, more browns and a little bit of purple. I got it for the blues more than I got it for anything else. I've got my hair all sticking to stuff. Let's just put that over there. But, oh, isn't that gorgeous? The symbols are really, really clear. Are they all letters? No, there's one number. There's one number, but the letters and numbers. Is that focusing? I don't think it's focusing. I'm trying to get my camera to focus on it properly. But they're really, really clear. They do use white on black as well as black on white. And you can see that there is lots and lots of shading in these lines because there's lots of different symbols, and that's what can give some nice depth. So there's nice sections of block along with nice sections of confetti, sort of mixes in the two. Just trying to make sure that is actually, there we go, that's a bit better. It looked a bit blurry to me when I looked up, but that's nice. What's that on there though? I think there's just something that's just got caught underneath on the glue. There is something caught in the glue. I don't think it's going to make any difference to it, but it is a little bit of... Oh, these are blunt end tweezers as well, rather than the sharp ones. Yeah, it has just caught a piece of fluff on the glue. But I think that'll come off. Or is it the glue? It's a bit of fluffy glue. There's something caught in it. But that's the worst of it out. I'm sure the diamonds are still placed there anyway. Every now and then you are just going to get a little bit of fluff. But isn't that a gorgeous image? I just liked it. Oh, there's actually purple down here as well. I noticed the purple up here, but I didn't notice it down here. But yeah, I really like the fact that it comes with cover paper, comes with the diamonds, comes packaged nicely, it's a gorgeous canvas. And I may well be able to use that as my inventory sheet. Maybe chop that up. I don't think this is stuck onto the back, but I'm sure I'll still be able to cut that out to use it on my pots if I want. But I'm definitely going to pop this in my app for a potential choice for when the app decides that it's ready for me to do it. But really excited with this one. I don't know, it's not very often now that something grabs me enough that I'm like, yes, have to have. But this one definitely did. It played with me. It sat in my inbox for a while until I was determined, yeah, I'm giving in and I'm getting it. And it'll be nice to see what it's like working with a different company. But I like the canvas. It's a very nice quality canvas, poured glue, nice toolkit, what looks like nice diamonds, but of course I'll report back when I actually get to work on it. Some cover paper, which is never a bad thing, and an instruction book if you don't quite know what you're doing yet. But yeah, I'll pop the link for this down below in case anybody else is interested. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.